listening skill. Now, this listening skill is very, very important. If I tell you about the benefits, there are a long list of listening skill. But let me tell you why you should, have the skills of listening actually. If you're not having, what is the problem actually? If you're not having, अगर आपके पास नहीं है listening skill, अगर आप सुनना पसंद नहीं करते हैं ज़्यादा, आप वही सुनते हैं जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, या फिर आपको मन नहीं करता तो अच्छा नहीं लगता या नहीं सुनते हैं, इसमें प्रॉब्लम है एक्चुअली. देयर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम व्हेन यू डोंट लिसन टू पीपल एक्चुअली. There is a problem. Do you remember yesterday I told you a story about two person. One name is Ram, the other one is Sham. Ram and Sham. Ram is a very quiet, calm, composed person who is very thoughtful and who used to listen to people. वो सुनता है लोगों की बात. But on the other hand, Sham वो सुनता बहुत कम है. नहीं सुनता मैं नहीं बोलूँगा, वो सुनता है लेकिन बहुत कम सुनता है. And he is reactive. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा रिएक्ट करता है. So much reactive that sometimes he goes into conflict and difficult to come back of it. But his friend Ram used to handle the situation and console him very often, all the time, most of the time. So this is the problem. So problem is that when you are reactive, when you are not, you don't have the skill of listening. I'm iterating this thing that listening is a skill, very, very important. It is something like not everybody is having. Although everybody is having this 2 ears, सबके पास में ये दो कान है, बट लोग इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं. उनको लगता है कि सुनने से ज़्यादा बोलना ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. They feel that speaking is more important than listening. And what happened very often, people used to react so aggressively and so unproper way that they forget that what the other person wants to say actually. और वहीं पर सारा राज छुपा होता है. The hack is in that only. So what happens is that when you don't listen, chaos is created, conflict arises. Sham always goes into conflict. Always conflict used to created whenever he do not respond actually. दोस्तों के साथ में अगर नहीं सुना तो conflict will arise. If you not listen to friend, conflict will arise. If you not listen to your near and dear one, conflict will arise for sure. And the major reason behind the dispute with the relationship is only people don't listen to others. They have lot of expectations, but they don't want to listen to the other person what his or her expectation is. If there is a dispute between the two husband and a wife, the main reason is that there are lot of expectation on the both the side, because husband is also expecting something that the wife should be so and so. Even the wife is expecting that the husband is so, and so there is a dispute. And how it can be solved? Either one has to stop claiming, stop expecting, and come to the solution. How? Listen to the other person and just nod your head, accept it, just accept it. I know you are going to lose here, but you are going to win. The relation is going to be very good. So solution you will get only when you will listen to the other person. Now let me come back to this, because I'm talking about the personality. Now how personality listening is required. Listening gives a lot of opportunity, lot of advantage, lot of positive like positive effects, positive plus point you will be getting everywhere. Now let me tell you one by one, so that you will be able. There are a lot of, I'm going to speak about all the important things, the major things which you'll be getting when you become a proper listener. Very, very important. Now first thing is that suppose you and your friend, when you are a very good listener, the other person is having some kind of an issue, he will share with you. If you are a good listener, he will like to share with you. If your friend comes to you, definitely he will share with you. But if you start judging that you should do this, you should do this, already somebody has given him a lot of advice and he is not able to cope up with it. And so to get relieved of all this thing, he came to you and you also start doing the same thing, then he is not getting any peace anywhere actually. And that's why just listen to him. It is not important that you should give the advice to this person, but you should listen to him. In this process क्या हो रहा है कि वो अपना बोझ हल्का कर रहा है. वो जो भार जो सर पे लेके रखा हुआ, इमोशनल जो बैगेज जो है, इमोशनल जो सर पे जो रखा हुआ है, वो निकाल रहा है. जब आप सुनते हो, you are helping the other person to get rid of those negative emotions actually. and so listen to him or her, listen, just listen. एडवाइस इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है जितना सुनना ज़रूरत है. That's very very important. This is number one. So when you are listening, you are helping him get relieved of all the negative emotions. Next is like, don't judge. Whatever kind of situation he is having, maybe very funny, maybe very like awkward, maybe very ridiculous, anything, let it be. Just listen to him, just listen him. Don't judge, don't advise, nothing, not required. He's also not expecting that you should advise me. When he wanted some kind of advices, he or she will ask you. If he has the right to ask you, he's also having the right to take advice from you. When he or she need advice, they'll ask you. So it's very important that you don't judge. No judgment, please. Very important. Number 2 I wanted to tell you is that there is a lot of support when you are listening to other person. No, when you are giving a support. Suppose there is an argument already going on. When you are listening, suppose you are on any side of it. Suppose, let's for example, not speaking is also a kind of giving support. You don't need to shout that you are in favor of the person. You just be silent. It will be indicated that you are in support of him. It sometimes works, but there is an outlier. Anyway, so it's very important that you should listen. Next is like, I already told you, you make the other person really like comfortable when you are listening to him. I wanted to tell you that it is a kind of like you are a problem solver in the society. When you listen to any person, or when you listen to the person in a group or anybody, you are basically depicting yourself that you are a big problem solver. You have the ability to solve a problem because you are able to listen to them, each and every aspect of it. 10 people coming there having 10 aspects, 10 different opinions. Now, until and unless you don't listen to each and everyone, how you are going to come to the conclusions? Very important. And that's why you should listen to everybody. And when you listen to everybody have got some kind of indication that yes, the person listens to me, and maybe at back of his mind he has already assumed that you are the problem solver. You can give a solution, and that's why you should listen to them, to everybody. You may have your difference of opinion, no problem, keep it with you. आपका अपना राय विचार अलग हो सकता है, आपका अपना मत हो सकता है अलग, दूसरों से अलग, बट सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी है सबकी बात. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसीलिए कहते हैं ना लोग, सुनने वालों की बहुत कदर होती है. एनीवे, so it's very very important. Now it is also described that you are a very good decision maker. You are a very very good decision maker, and eventually people also perceive you that you have a very strong characters, and people gives you respect out of it when you have this ability. Now what happened? Now people around you start to look at you as a role model. People around you starts to look up at you as a role model. Can you imagine how much respect you get just by this one skill? The skill of listening. So important it is. And that's why you should harness this skill. Now how to do this actually? There are so many advantages are there, no? You become a role model. You become a problem solver. You become a decision maker. You become a kind of like a, like a peace man. Not peace man, but I would say you are a very strong characters depicting who can bring impact. But how to develop this listening skill? Most importantly, you need to form the habit. Now, until and unless you form a habit, you're not going to get these skills, because everything starts from the habit. Start repeating again and again. Now, how to do this one? Starts from now. Don't wait for tomorrow that okay, from tomorrow onwards I'll start to listen to all people. Today let me speak more as much as I can. No, you cannot. So you need to break this pattern of just only speaking and reacting. You need to infuse into it, interject into it, like I wanted to listen first. Let me listen to this person and then I'll speak. And that way you'll learn actually. You are gaining a lot of knowledge from the other people, because you have your own opinion, but the other person may be having his opinion, might be that you don't know about it. And that's why you'll get to learn a lot of things from the other person. And that's why in a group with the other people, everybody, you just listen first. Whenever somebody is speaking, keep silent, let him speak first, then you say. If there is a dispute, let him speak first, then you give your opinion. With your friends, with your family, with your school colleague, everywhere, just listen first, and you'll not understand. This will help you in your career a lot. In your career, this is going to help you a lot. You cannot imagine how it impacts. Even if I tell you, I think maybe you'll not be able to relate it. So it's very important to develop these skills, like art of listening. And this is very, very important of part of communication skill. Communication skill cannot be called a skill until and unless you have developed the skill of listening. And that's why listening skill is very, very important for everybody to develop a communication skill. With the help of communication skill, you'll be able to boom in your career, in your business, in your everywhere. But if you don't have this listening skill, you collapse. And that's why you should be very much, be grip on this listening. By listening, you can crack any deal. By listening, you can close any deal. You can get more sales. You can convince your boss. You can convince everybody, anybody. Listening skill, so much advantage is there. Start listening to people. Don't be in a hurry to speak, to give out whatever it's there in my mind. Hold it for some time. And then speak out your mind. And then you see your mind also functions in that way. Mind also supports you according to your behavior. So start listening. Anything you wanted to yell upon, hold it for some time, and then you hold it, and then you release it. Do that way, and surely you'll be able to develop this art of listening skill. Very, very important. I hope it was helpful for you. And again, that's all for today. If you wanted to know more and more, definitely you can come to my website, register, and